Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in this week's episode. What I want to share with you is a clip from the members section. And if you're brand new here to our channel or to the videos or to some of the things that we do, check out our website here at tradersfly.com, and you can head on over to the membership section. And this is where I'm going to share with you a few minutes from the clip from our swing chart membership plan. So if you're interested in getting it, check it out right there and learn more about it. So stay tuned. We're going to go over some technical analysis from this week's stocks, give you some thoughts, insights, and things to think about. So it's just a short little clip. It's not the full thing. The membership plan and area gives you the full video access to it, where it's many more stocks that we go over and cover. Anyways, with that being said, remember, none of these are recommendations to buy, sell, or trade stocks, just my own personal thoughts and opinion. So let's kind of get into this and just check out the market here. What I want you to be a little more careful about is when you look at the market here, we are a bit stretched. And we just continue to power higher without too much pullback. And if you ever heard of the guy Warren Buffett, he always talks about be a little more fearful when others are greedy and be a little more greedy when others are fearful. And in this case, a lot of people are more greedy here in the markets. We continue without too many pullbacks. There's a few pullbacks here and there, but nothing too major. So with these higher prices, I'd be a little bit more cautious and concerned, with a potential for a pullback. So let's check out some charts here, and I'll give you some thoughts and takes here as we get into some of these. So here is, if we check these out, here's one for those of you that like some speculative plays. Here's our breakout point. Here is kind of our support level. And here's another support level. Stock's doing good. Bullish volume here looks fairly healthy. I'd say for a speculative play, I'm much more bullish on this one. But of course, just be a little more careful here. You'll probably get into some resistance way up here. And again, this is for a spec play or trade, so I wouldn't put a large position on this, but it seems like it's doing well, and if it can pull back here and bounce, that could be a nice interesting play for the future. ESPR here is another one. What I would watch here is we've had some resistance here, and you can see there's some resistance there overhead. You've had some nice support here at this level. So here we are at the supporting levels. This is a possible breaking out area. And with that, excuse me, if we can continue to break out and move higher, that could be a nice play. So with that in mind, that's why I would say, hey, if this can break out, that could be a bullish move here. But you're waiting for that, and make sure that the volume, can pick up. So that's what I would watch here in this kind of stock. Let's check out Johnson & Johnson. This one's had a little bit of trouble there in the past, but it's coming right into some of these resistance levels, and it could be a nice play. I'd say I'm a little more neutral on this until it breaks, but here we've got that resistance. This stock was trying to kind of hold these support levels right over here. So you could see there was resistance here, and we're trying to kind of hold these support levels there, and it's moving quite well. This was the increase in volume, you can see, but it was a little more bearish volume. So we had that rotation, and now we've got some bullish volume there that can come in. Again, more neutral on this one rather than full out bullish. But watch for a breakout here. So that's what you're watching, right around that level. And if you do, and if you can, that could be an interesting opportunity in that zone. Let's look at JP Morgan here. This one did real well here on this breakout point, continues to do well. Here is our resistance. And for this kind of stock, this stock's doing very well for a gain from about 120 to 137, so about 13 points. So here's our resistance as well. And the stock just continues to do well. I'd say, hey, definitely bullish on this, but just be careful with the market, maybe a little bit more stretched than it should be. And where it is, I'd be concerned. I would take some profits into strength. Here's another one, KBR. All right, so there you go. That's really the insight to our membership area. Gives you a quick little clip and insight to what's going on this week in the markets. If you want to check it out, go to our website at tradersfly.com. And you can see it right there, tradersfly.com. And then you can head on over to the membership area. And once you're in the membership area, you can learn more about some of the plans that we have, like the swing charts. And we're going to have some options here in group coaching coming up soon as well. So thank you so much. And remember, do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. Don't forget to hit subscribe or join our newsletter as well to get news and insights on when we have other great things coming up. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.